SAP Certified Associate, SAP SuccessFactors Compensation 2H, 2023 C_THR 86_2311 exam dumps. Questions are valuable in your preparation. Share some SAP Certified Associate C_THR 86_2311 exam dumps questions here. 1. As part of the approval process, your client wants to make sure that the planners have a full view of how their direct and indirect reports have adhered to their allocated budgets before their worksheets can be approved. How can you best show this information? A. Enable the executive review. Read permission for all planners. B. Create a tile for inclusion on the planner's dashboards. C. Include the detailed rollup report option in the worksheet configuration. D. Create an ad hoc report and share it with all planners. 2. Your customer is based in the UK and has a functional currency of GBP. However, they also have offices in the US, USD, France, EUR, and Germany, EUR. They would like the budget displayed in local currency for alt planners, for example. German planners see the budget in EUR, not GBP. How can you best accomplish this? Note there are two correct answers to this question. A. Use budget grouping and group on the local currency code. B. Disable functional currency mode. C. Enable planner currency mode. D. Have 4 separate templates, one for each country. 3. When generating compensation statements, you notice that only the number is appearing for the rating, not the text. How can you correct this? A. Update your rating label format to show the text. B. Add help text to the PM rating field. C. Update the field-based permissions for the PM rating field. D. Create a custom column referencing a lookup table to pull in the text. 4. Which information is included in the rollup report? Note there are two correct answers to this question. A. The average bonus payout amount. B. The sum of budget and total spend for each division, department, or location. C. The sum of budget and total spend for each planner in the hierarchy. D. The detail of planning decisions for each employee in the hierarchy. 5. Your customer has implemented SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central, EC, and now wishes to implement a single global compensation template. However, only part of the organization is in Employee Central. Some countries are still using SAP ERP. But there are plans to move to SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central over the next 2 years. The customer wants to use the compensation module to plan for all employees regardless of where their employee data sits. What is the recommended approach to this scenario? A. Create 2 templates, one with EC integration and one without. B. Create a single non-integrated template, export the EC employees and import them via UDF. C. Suggest a phased approach where the non-EC employees become part of the process later as they migrate. D. Create a single EC integrated template and use the hybrid template option. 6. What types of custom fields can you use as formula criteria within the guidelines? Note there are two correct answers to this question. A. % fields input on the worksheet. B. Date fields uploaded from the user data file. C. Money fields based on a custom formula calculation. D. String fields based on a custom formula calculation. 7. When should you configure a compensation template using the second manager hierarchy? Note there are two correct answers to this question. A. Your customer wants only directors and above to do planning. B. Your customer has more than 3 manager approval levels in their route map. C. Your customer wants to include HR in their route map. D. Your customer wants someone other than the standard manager to make compensation recommendations. 8. Which of the following customer scenarios is a good use of the suppress statement function? Note there are two correct answers to this question. A. Employees in one country get a statement at a different time from those in other countries. B. Employees who are on a performance improvement plan get a different statement from those who are not. C. Employees who have an RSU grant get a statement, but those without an RSU grant do not get a statement. D. Employees who were hired after a certain date do not get a statement. 9. Which of the following requires the use of custom validations? Note there are two correct answers to this question. A. An error message when the maximum guideline is exceeded. B. An error message when adjustments are entered in two different fields. C. An error message when planners enter a promotion without changing pay grade. D. A warning message when the budget is exceeded. 10. You want to rename the salary tab of the compensation plan template. Which field section must you configure? A. Custom views. B. Rollup report fields. C. Navigation fields. D. Form fields.